Welcome to Video Service Information. Looking at this 2016 GMC Denali, customer's complaint with service side detection coming up in the DIC. Vehicle's got around 76,000 miles. Further investigation, we found the connector going to the side detection module has corrosion in the terminals. As you can see, the modules are built behind the rear wheel, so it's getting subjected to corrosion and water. You can see corrosion in the connector here in the terminals. The modules are located on the left and right side of the vehicle behind the rear wheels. They get a constant bath of water and salt and road grime. If you're wondering what the code was, it was a U0159, which is lost communication with the side detection module. I've actually seen it where the water will get inside these modules and start to expand from the corrosion and the water on the inside of the module. Some manufacturers are working to put these side detection modules inside the taillight housings so they're not so subjected to the elements. If you're wondering what the repair was, we end up just replacing the harness and both side detection modules. You can try cleaning the terminals up, but what happens is when the corrosion sits around that terminal inside the connector, it'll actually deteriorate the plastic. So it's just more cost effective and saving time just to replace the harness. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more upcoming videos. Thank you.